Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Destiny and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to go ahead and start working with leaving a room. In the last video we can now join a room but we can't leave room yet. That's what we're going to be doing in this video, and you're going to learn a whole lot of cool things. Do make sure to drop a like, consider subscribing, and also you want to get the templates, check out the links in the description below. They should point you to the right direction to get the templates. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Now I'm going to open up my code editor again, and I want to get actually I wasn't supposed to get rid of that because I'm going to be using it, so I'm just opening it back up again. Now remember, this one was charts from over here, charts, but this time around I'm going to change it to leave room. Okay, so I think it's going to start colliding with this, and it's okay, still looking great. Now that's what we want. So what we could even do is just I'm just gonna get rid of this model so I have more space to work with. Now I want to get rid of all the row tab thing. I don't need any of this. I'm gonna get rid of all this, and I also want to remove the button effects class, remove that, and I also want to remove the ID and the toggle tab. So that's just all I want to remove. Now let's go ahead and write the view to do that. Now I'm going to open up my views.py, and over here we're going to create a new view, and this one is going to be define. But before that we need the login required decorator. So I'm going to say login required, and I'm going to say define leave room. As simple as that. Call it whatever you want, it's totally up to you. Request and PK. And you know what, we could even go ahead and just copy this code over here because it's going to be almost the same thing. I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it down here. Then we're going to change up a couple of things. So this one is going to be leave underscore room, request PK. We get the room as usual. We say if not room, so if they are trying to access the room that we want, we send them back to the index page. Then if request the user that is authenticated, then we're going to say room.members. This time around we're going to remove and not add. Then we're going to say we want to remove the user that's logged in, that's requesting to remove the room. Then we're going to say message.success, you left the room, you left the Django developers or whatever room. Okay, else you need to log in before you can join a room. Then return redirect. Where do we want to return them to? So someone have left the room, right? We'll just return them to the index page. I think that should be one of the best places because there is no room again to redirect them to. Okay, so when that's done, that's pretty much it. No strings attached. I'm just going to come over here and create a new URL. This one is going to be leave room, and this one you already know it's going to be leave room, and finally this one is going to be leave room. Okay, so we need to copy this name, come over to our chat room, and in the href I'm just going to open up URL tags, paste what we copied. Now if you come over and refresh, we should definitely get an error, and that error needs an ID. So I'm going to say room.id, because as you can see over here, the one in angle brackets is looking for a PK or an ID. You can call it whatever you want. So when that's done, if we come over here now and leave room, what do you notice? We left the room. Now we are in the home page, right? So that's pretty much it. So if you refresh from here now, you can see that it's only this guy that is in the room. Now how about I try accessing the room again? Room 1. What do you notice now? It says join room. So this is the cool part. If I click the join button, now it says leave room. If I leave the room, it goes to the home page. As simple as that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and liked it. Do make sure to drop a like, consider subscribing, and also if you want to get the template, check out the links in the description below. They should point you to the right direction to get the template. And on to the next video where we're going to go ahead and start creating something cool. Mad love. Peace out.